Alright, this is the Piggy from Ratchet Deadlocked, and I'm going to show you a glitch I found. You're going to need a hover bike, and that's about it. So you go past over here by the Puma, turn around over this little wall here, and you will notice 1, 2, 3 little spikes over here. You want to get on top of all 3 of them in one jump. That didn't make it that time. There. When you get it, it will look like this, and you jump out whilst it. And when you make it up, you're going to hold straight back and to the left. There. It's going to get lodged in that help one right there. Okay, well, once you're back there, you've got all this. You can wrench so far this way, and then you can shoot through this wall at anyone going through that tunnel. And once you go, there's land on this wall, behind this wall. But once you go through, you can't go back. Okay? And you can also get under the ramp. You jetpack over to here, and then you wrench and wrench and wrench and wrench. Whenever you're walking on something invisible, you want a wrench to move, so you can see what you're doing. Sometimes if you move the camera around, you can see the little ledge there. Okay, then you jump over, and you're underneath the ramp. You can do the flail, or if you can set mines like right there, it's like the greatest place. Okay, then you can also walk through there, and then through here. And all of this is not solid, so don't go over there. And then you've got this whole shooting area here. There we go. You can scope if you wanna. Yeah, well, that's about it, okay?